लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે ટાઈપ 6 એના ફર્સ્ટ થી લઈ અને 7 સુધી એક્ઝામ્પલ જોયેલા હતા. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 8, if coefficient of x raised to 7 and x raised to 8 in the expansion of 3 plus x divided by 2 raised to n are equal, find n. Okay. First of all, here x is equal to 3, a is equal to x by 2, n is equal to n. We have to find out it. Coefficient of x raised to 7 is equal to coefficient of x raised to 8. Now we have to find out coefficient. Coefficient માટે step 1, Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. N is equal to, we have to find out, r we have to find out, x that is 3 raised to n minus r, a that is x raised to r divided by 2 raised to r. So NCR 3 raised to n minus r divided by 2 raised to r x raised to r. Step 2, x raised to given is equal to x raised to calculate, x raised to 7 is equal to x raised to r. So r is equal to 7. Step 3, put r is equal to 7. NC 7, 3 raised to n minus 7, 2 raised to 7, x raised to 7. So coefficient of x raised to 7 is NC7, 3 raised to n minus 7, 2 raised to 7. Now for x raised to 8 માટે step 2, x raised to given is equal to x raised to calculate, x raised to 8 is equal to x raised to r, so r is equal to 8. Step 3, put r is equal to 8. NC8 3 raised to n minus 8 x raised to 8 divided by 2 raised to 8. So NC8 3 raised to n minus 8, 2 raised to 8, x raised to 8. So here is the coefficient of x raised to 8. Now it is given that coefficient of x raised to 7 is equal to coefficient of x raised to 8 are equal. Now x raised to 7 no coefficient NC7, 3 raised to n minus 7, 2 raised to 7 is equal to coefficient of x raised to 8 NC8, 3 raised to n minus 8 divided by 2 raised to 8. Okay. So 2 raised to 8 divided by 2 raised to 7, 3 raised to n minus 7 divided by 3 raised to n minus 8 is equal to NC8 divided by NC7. 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 7, that is 2. 3 raised to n minus 7 minus n minus minus plus 8 is equal to n factorial n minus 8 factorial multiplied by 8 factorial divided by n factorial n minus 7 factorial multiplied by 7 factorial. Here n cancel, 2 multiplied by 3 raised to minus 7 plus 8, that is 3 raised to 1. So n factorial n minus 8 factorial multiplied by n minus 7 factorial divided by n factorial. 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, n factorial cancel, n minus 7, then after n minus 8 factorial multiplied by 7 factorial divided by n minus 8 factorial, 8 multiplied by 7 factorial, 7 cancel, n minus 8 cancel, so 6 is equal to n minus 7 divided by 8. 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to n minus 7. 6 multiplied by 8, that is 48. 48 plus 7 is equal to n. So n is equal to 55. This is your answer. Here your answer, n is equal to 55. Next, example number 8. If coefficient of r plus first term and r plus third term in the expansion of 1 plus x raised to 2n are equal, so that r is equal to n minus 1. Now, x is equal to 1, a is equal to x, n is equal to 2n. टर्म नो कोएफिशिएंट फाइंड करवानो है. टर्म tn is equal to tr plus 1 ncr x raised to n minus r a raised to r. This is coefficient of term. Now first tr plus 1, that is tr minus 1 plus 1, that is tr plus 1. So r is equal to r, n is equal to 2n, cr x raised to n minus r a raised to r. So coefficient of tr plus 1 is 2ncr. Second, r plus third, tr plus 3, that is tr plus 2 plus 1. So r is equal to r plus 2, 2ncr plus 2, x raised to 2n minus 2r plus 2 a raised to 2 and a raised to r plus 2. Here the coefficient of term, so coefficient of t r plus 3 is 2ncr plus 2. Both coefficient are equal, it is given that. So coefficient of tr plus 1 and tr plus 3 are equal. So 2ncr is equal to 2ncr plus 2. Here both n are equal. So r1 plus r2 is equal to n. r1 that is r, r2 that is r plus 2, 2n that is n that is 2n. r plus r that is 2r plus 2 is equal to 2n. Take 2 common, r plus 1, 2n that is 2n is equal to 2n. So r plus 1 is equal to 2n by 2. So r plus 1 is equal to n. So r is equal to n minus 1. આપણે પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે r is equal to n minus 1. That is proved. Now last of type 6, example number 10. If the first 3 term in the expansion of 1 plus b raised to n are 1, 14 and 84 respectively, determine a, b and n. Okay. First 3 term, that is t1 is equal to 1, t2 is equal to 14 and t3 is equal to 84. Expansion. X plus a raised to n. So x is equal to a is equal to b and n is equal to n. Now tn is equal to tr plus 1 ncr x raised to n minus r a raised to r. t1 is equal to t0 plus 1 nc0 a raised to n minus 0 b raised to 0. t1 is equal to given 1 nc0 1 a raised to n b raised to 0 1. So 1 is equal to a raised to n, 1 raised to n is equal to a raised to n. So a is equal to 1. Now t2, that is t1 plus 1 nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1. t2 is equal to given, t2 is equal to 14, 14 is equal to nc1 a raised to n 1, a means 1 raised to n minus 1, b raised to 1. 14 is equal to nc1, that is n, 1 raised to n minus 1, that is 1, b raised to 1, that is b. 14 by n is equal to b. Here we getting one relation, b is equal to 14 by n. Now T3 is equal to T2 plus 1, NC2, a raised to n minus 2, b raised to 2. T3 is given, T3 is 84. So 84 is equal to NC2, a that is 1 raised to n minus 2, b that is 14 by n raised to 2. So 84 is equal to NC2, 1 raised to n minus 2, that is 1, 14 no square, 196 divided by n square. So 84 is equal to NC2. What is NC2? That is n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial multiplied by 196 n square. So 84 is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial multiplied by 2, 196 divided by n square. Here square n cancel એટલે એક ઘાત વધશે, 196 divided by 2, that is 98. n minus 2 factorial cancel, 84 is equal to remaining 98 n minus 1. So 84 is equal to 98n minus 98. 84 is equal to 84 here 84 is equal to, this is 198, 98 multiplied by 1, 84 plus 98, that is 182 divided by 98, that is here 84 is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by 98. So 84 is equal to 98n minus 98. So 84 minus 84n, here n, n square n divided by n, not multiplied by n. 98 multiplied by n minus 1 divided by n. So 84n is equal to 98n minus 98. 98 is equal to 98n minus 84n. 98 minus 84, that is 14n. 98 divided by 14 is equal to n. So n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. Put n is equal to 7 in b is equal to 14 by n. So b is equal to 14 by 7, b is equal to 2. Now a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and n is equal to 7. This is your answer. નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈપ 7 અને ટાઈપ 8 આપણે નેક્સ્ટ સેશનમાં લેશું. થેન્ક યુ.